Today's video, I want to show you a very effective way to make some really nice thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Let's go. This is going to be a very quick video. So I'm going to show you what I discovered just recently about Canva and how you can make some very pretty YouTube thumbnails with your photos. So this was a thumbnail I used for my last video. Let's bring this one up right here. Okay, I just want it here. So make it huge. Thumbnails, they have to, your face has to be really big on the screen. So I'm gonna flip it horizontally. Of course, this is not the final product, but I just want to show you what I would do if I want to make it better. So background remover right here, it's gonna remove the background. Here we go. Then you go to edit over here. You'll go to apps and you want to go to image upscaler. Let's upscale and see what it does. All right, so here you have the photo. So this is before. So you see it here, before and after. Okay, so I'm gonna replace it. So you see the resolution of my skin here. And now if I do replace, so it's still working. Ta-da! Here you go. Look at my skin. It's just spotless now. It's just so much better. That's something I discovered recently, but you can see the difference of your photo. The skin looks so much better. Then, of course, you can play around with the edits if you want. If you want to play more with the colors. I never really play with the effects, but you could. Face retouch. I never really play with that one. Let's see what it does. And yeah, that's what it does. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that image upscaler. One thing that's super popular too is to add the shadow. You probably saw it in a lot of thumbnails, so you can put that one. That one is very popular, and change the color. You see it very often in white, so you would just move the cursor right here at the top, and you would have a white shadow around your photo. So that's another one you can do. But definitely, yeah, I wanted to show you how you can make your skin a little bit better. Of course, you can change the colors as well. You can use the filters, or simply just go here to adjust, and you can change the the temperature, the tint, to make it different, the brightness, like that, vibrant or not. People like it vibrant usually. I noticed saturation, keep it like balanced. Sharpness, I never touched that one. Clarity, never touched that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's what I do. You can also do the auto adjust if you want to. But yeah, so the one I would just use, it's that one, the image upscaler right here. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope this was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next video for new ways to make money online. See you guys.